Did you know that your kidneys filter over 50 gallons of blood every single day? But most of us don't realize how easy it is to damage them without even knowing. Whether it's our diet, habits, or lifestyle, our kidneys silently take the hit until it's too late. But it doesn't have to be that way. In today's video, I'm going to share some simple yet powerful tips that can help you keep your kidneys healthy and safe for years to come. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, avoid common kidney-damaging mistakes, or simply stay informed, these tips are a must for anyone who wants to protect their health. Let's dive in. Here are some essential tips to keep your kidneys healthy and protected. 1. Stay hydrated, drink enough water. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys filter waste from the blood and flush it out of the body through urine. Aim for about 8 to 10 cups of water daily, though this may vary based on activity levels and climate. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Limit salt intake. Excess sodium can raise blood pressure and put a strain on the kidneys. Aim to stay under 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. Include fruits and vegetables. Foods like berries, apples, and leafy greens are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help maintain kidney health. Limit protein intake. High-protein diets can overwork the kidneys. Stick to moderate amounts of plant-based or lean animal proteins, especially if you have existing kidney concerns. 3. Maintain a healthy weight. Exercise regularly. Staying active helps regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels, both of which are critical for kidney health. Even 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week can make a big difference. Monitor blood pressure and blood sugar. Keep blood pressure in check. High blood pressure can damage the small blood vessels in your kidneys. Aim for a target of 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury or lower. Manage diabetes carefully. Uncontrolled blood sugar levels can lead to diabetic kidney disease over time. Monitoring your glucose levels is essential. 5. Avoid overuse of painkillers and NSAIDs. Overuse of medications like ibuprofen or aspirin can damage the kidneys, especially when taken frequently over long periods. Always follow recommended dosages and speak to a healthcare provider if in doubt. 6. Don't smoke. Quit smoking. Smoking slows blood flow to the kidneys and can accelerate kidney damage. It also increases the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes. 7. Limit alcohol intake. Drink alcohol in moderation. Excessive alcohol can lead to dehydration and high blood pressure, both of which strain the kidneys. 8. Regular checkups. Get kidney function tests. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of kidney disease, regular kidney function tests can catch any issues early. By following these lifestyle changes, you can protect your kidneys and reduce the risk of developing. And there you have it. Simple but effective tips to keep your kidneys healthy and thriving. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference in protecting these vital organs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more health and nutrition tips like this.